Meaning of high commission.
High commission.
High commission.
High commission.
High commission. High commission refers to a fee or percentage-based payment that is paid to a sales agent or broker for completing a successful sale or transaction. The commission amount is usually higher than a standard rate due to the size, complexity, or profitability of the transaction. The high commission structure incentivizes agents to put forth their best effort in closing deals and can result in a win-win situation for both parties. However, the downside of high commission rates is that they can increase the overall cost of the transaction for the buyer or seller.